What's up, guys? Java for Beginning Part 7. Now I will be showing you how to work with float. The previous video I show you how to work with a double. The float and double is nothing much difference. The float precision happen with 32 byte 32 byte IE, which is a 754 point, and double is 64 byte. That is the difference. There's nothing else. And you can mention in the the double example is a variable which is the value. When you set the value, we can double as a D, and the float is add. Example, let's show you the physical life how does it work. So we have here again, we're gonna copy it. We're gonna make every class separate because so guys you can follow and track it easily. We're gonna say float. Okay, nice. Copy it. Okay, I'm not gonna keep anything. Okay, so now let's work with the float now. So now create a variable float number, same like before, number equal example you want 20.987 and you want float number, so use the for if. So now end of your numbers now is print this number. What's going on? System. Just one moment, just copy this because you're saving some time. And so now we have a float variable number which is hold this number, and I'm calling this number. Let's see what happened. So run this. It's running. So now what did that happen? So now you're saying that did I error with Java expected closing? Oh yeah, I didn't close the expected. Sorry guys. So now let's run this, and what happened? Let's see. You see that they just as a float number they use as a 20.987, and I told you there's nothing much difference. Example, float can be sufficient for holding 6 to 7 decimal digit, which is size bytes, and double was 15 decimal digit, which is the size 8 bytes. That's it. There is nothing decimal, nothing like much difference you can feel about that. So next video I will be talking about boolean, which is very important. We're going to use it very often in our Java boolean, and let's see. So guys, feel free to comment, and if you like my video, just go to the future with Vision and subscribe my channel, and if you have any question just comment it and I will be answer your question as soon as possible. Thank you for